In this video, I will show you how to install TV and movie applications on your Android TV using your Unlinked application. This is very simple. Follow the procedure, subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful. So the first is to install the Unlinked application. If you don't yet have the application on your Android TV, check the description of this video. I've attached a tutorial that is going to guide you on installing the Unlinked application to your Android TV. Once you are done, all you have to do is to come over here and launch the Unlinked app. And then you come over to add new library if you don't yet have a library. Now here you're going to type in the code I'm about to give you. Please follow attentively and make sure not to make any single mistake with the code. So here you're going to type in the code 67664 So type in this code correctly and then you go ahead and click on this, and the code is going to come over to this library here. And since you're looking for TV and movie applications, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see on my TV here are movie and TV applications that you can install the Android TV. Top movie and TV show apps. Here another one, TV and movie apps. So you can install anyone that you want to your Android TV. If you find it helpful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.